Hey everyone, welcome back to Vibe Coding. I'm Greg. In Lesson 1.1, we built a bouncing ball, a blue ball bouncing off all four walls, running in your browser, 0 lines of code typed. Today in Lesson 1.2, we're adding a paddle. You'll control it with your left and right arrow keys and the ball will bounce off it. Same method as always, 4 steps. Step 1, copy the prompt. Here's the prompt for this lesson. Update the previous bouncing ball HTML file. Add a green paddle, width 100, height 15, near the bottom. The player moves it with left and right arrow keys. The ball bounces off the paddle. Keep all existing wall bouncing behavior. I'm going to copy that now. Step 2, paste into AI. I'm opening a new chat in my AI chatbot, pasting the prompt in, and hitting enter. There it is, full code. I didn't type a single line. Step 3, run the code. I'm selecting all the code, Control+A, Control+C. Opening a fresh notepad, pasting it in, Control+V. Now file equals save as. Change the type to all files, name it paddle.html, save to the desktop. Drag the file on top of a web browser. Web browser opens, there's the ball, and there's the green paddle at the bottom. Let me move it. Using the arrows on the keyboard, left, right, and the ball bounces off it. That's your first interactive program. Step 4, the vibe tweak. Find the number 100 in your code. That's the paddle width. Change it to 40. Save, refresh. The paddle is now tiny, much harder to control. You just changed the difficulty of your game with one number. That's Lesson 1.2 done. Next up is Lesson 1.3, Breakout. Bricks, score, lives, windscreen. A complete arcade game. That's the one where it all comes together. Links to the full free lessons are below. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you in Lesson 1.3.